Changing the email link to your Chase bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Visit the Chase Bank website or open the Chase mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile and Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile and Settings option. This is usually found in a menu or account settings section. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Profile and Settings menu, find and click on Personal Information. This section allows you to manage your contact details, including your email address. Step 4. Update your email address. Locate the field for your current email address. Enter your new email address in the provided space. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new email, click on the Save or Update button. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the change, so be sure to check your inbox. Once you have completed these steps, your email address linked to your Chase bank account will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Chase customer support for assistance.